Let us rest in sitting posture for a while. Sit straight, back straight. If you want to close or open eye, it's not important. But if you feel sleepy, you should open your eyes.
我哋一齊坐嘅姿勢，禪修啦。咁大家可以開眼望你係學下都得，但係如果你覺得行親嘅話，咁就開眼。
Do not focus on anything.
唔好聚焦喺任何嘅對象度。
Just feel the sitting posture, the body that is sitting now.
係去感受呢一個坐嘅感覺嘅身體，
Fully relax.
完全地放鬆，
Very, very relax.
非常非常放鬆。
We have been serious in other matters already. Now we come to meditation camp. Should be very relaxed.
我哋係已經平時要繁忙嘅已經夠多，都係試到好多嘅繁忙。咁我哋嚟到呢一個禪修營嘅時候，應該盡量放鬆。
If you feel anyone who feel very sleepy, you should look at the roof.
如果任何人覺得眼瞓嘅話，就建議你望向呢個天花。
And take a few deep breaths, relax.
然後深呼吸幾下，再同自己講放鬆。
No expectation, no goal, just feeling.
冇任何嘅期待，只係純粹地感受。
Goal or expectations means the future.
目標或者期待係屬於未來嘅事。
There is no past, no future. The real feeling is now.
我哋喺度冇過去，冇未來，真實嘅感受就係當下。
If the mind go inside, look for something, look for calmness, just know that the mind is going inside.
如果我哋嘅心係向內去尋找一啲平靜嘅話咧，咁我哋就純粹咁樣知道見到呢件事。
If the mind runs to think about something outside, person, just know that the mind is running outside.
如果我哋嘅心係跑出去外面去諗某一個人某一啲嘢嘅話，咁我哋就係純粹咁知道佢已經跑咗出去外面。
Not the future, not the past, not inside, not outside, just feeling.
唔關乎未來過去，唔關乎內外，只係我哋喺度感受啫。
If you can't feel your body, just move the body a little bit, moving a bit.
如果你係覺得感受唔到自己身體嘅話，咁你可以試下移動少少你嘅身體，喐下你嘅身體。
If you open eyes, you can turn your head around, but the feeling is with the body, not the object that you look.
如果你係打開眼嘅話，你可以將個頭擰一擰，但係咧，你嘅注意你應該係感
first relax.
間中就做下深呼吸，然後放鬆。
Those who like to use breath as your meditation object, you can feel breath and feel the whole body at once.
如果我哋當中一啲人係想用呼吸作為禪修嘅對象嘅話，咁你可以一路感受你嘅呼吸，同時亦都感受全面嘅身體，可以同時咁做。
When you can feel your body, now we invite the triple gems.
你可以感受下你呢個身體，同時都憶念我哋嘅三寶佛法身。
May the power and the virtues of triple gems come to this body and this mind.
願三寶嘅力量同埋三寶嘅善法嚟到我哋嘅身體同埋我哋嘅心裏面。
Feeling the body does not need to think of anything, the mind is empty temporarily.
我哋去感受身體嘅時候，個心唔需要諗任何嘢，其實個心喺呢一個當下暫時係放空。
The Buddha is my refuge, Dhamma is my refuge, Sangha is my refuge.
佛係我嘅歸依處，法係我嘅歸依處，僧亦都係我嘅歸依處。
If something happened in our life, suddenly have to face death, we should have Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha in the mind as refuges.
如果我哋嘅生命突然間遇到一啲意外嘅時候，咁我哋心裏邊應該有佛法僧作為歸依。
Trust the Buddha, trust Dhamma, and trust Sangha by heart.
我哋相信佛陀，相信法，相信僧祇，我哋用心去相信。
If you feel drowsy or sleepy, just watch it. Sleepiness or drowsiness is not you. It's just a symptom of this body. It's not the mind itself.
如果你係感覺到 觀察呢一個眼瞓或者昏沉，你明白到眼瞓並唔係你或者係屬於你，呢個係你身體嘅現象。
Accept and watch it as it is, not me, not I.
接受佢，然後如實地觀察佢，佢並唔係我嘅。
The mind running around here and there, worryful, thinking back to the past. Just watch it as it is, not me, not I.
如果個心跑來跑去，都即係掉舉，或者係諗翻一啲過去嘅事情，追悔，同樣地，你都係如實地觀察佢，佢並唔係我嘅。
Feeling your face, feeling your chest, feeling your breast, your buttock, your back, any part of the body that you can feel.
你可以感受下身體嘅部分，譬如你嘅面部、你嘅胸部、你嘅背部、你嘅臀部，可以對呢啲部分度觀察下。
Do not force yourself to be calm because we have no goal, we have no expectation.
唔好去迫使自己要平靜，因為我哋呢度禪修係冇目標、冇期望嘅。
Whatever happened to this moment, accept it as it is.
任何發生喺當下嘅事，都如實地接受佢。
When the Buddha enlightened under the Bodhi tree, the light of his enlightenment shine through the universe.
當佛陀喺呢個菩提樹開悟嘅時候，佢散發出嚟嘅光係照遍整個宇宙。
It also went down to the deepest level of hell. The heavenly beings that live in darkness can see the light temporarily because of the power of his enlightenment.
佢亦都短暫地下降到地獄裏面，令到地獄嘅眾生都短暫地見到光，呢個光係嚟自佢開嘅力量。
Let us receive the light, the virtue of enlightenment under the Bodhi tree of the Buddha.
我哋一齊嚟接收佛陀喺菩提樹下開悟嘅呢個光。 我哋應該慶幸我哋能夠以心去接觸到佛陀。
Get attached to learn the teaching of the Buddha.
我哋慶幸能夠接觸到學習佛法。
Make an aspiration that one day we will use this body and this mind that the Father and Mother gave us to learn and to free from all kind of suffering from samsara. No need to take birth, another birth, and suffer over and over again.
我哋一齊喺度發願，我哋要善用呢一個由父母為我哋所帶嚟嘅呢一個身體同埋心。願我哋有一日可以善用呢一個身心去帶領我哋，幫助我哋脱離所有嘅苦，我哋以後都唔使再喺生死輪迴裏面輪轉，唔使再有未來嘅更多嘅下一世。
Okay, take a deep breath, feel your body.
我哋而家深呼吸，然後鬆一鬆個身體。
According to the schedule, we finish at 3:30, right?
Yes.
How about we finish at 4? Okay.
呢個呢個時間表原定就3點半見，咁就而家延長到4點，好唔好？
Okay. And then, so if you have any question, you can ask the office.
大家有咩問題可以問小沙微嘅。
Welcome to us.
歡迎係我。
If no question, we continue the sutta a little bit more.
如果大家冇提問嘅話咧，就師傅繼續講下呢個即
This evening, when the weather cool down, we may be able to do walking outside. Walking. This evening, walking meditation.
大家都有喺出面行時咯。Sorry, you asked me?
This evening,
Oh, this evening. Let's walk.
maybe let's see. When the weather cool down, yeah, we may walk outside together.
師傅話到傍晚啲時候可以一齊出去行時下。
Oh, have a question? Okay.
Actually, that is a question for my friend. She think that if those jhana is not important for enlightenment, how come Buddha just before Buddha got enlightened, he entered into jhana from 24 and then 41?
Your turn. You have to work.
What's your question? I cannot.
Okay. If jhana is not important for enlightenment, how come Buddha enter into jhana from first jhana to the fourth jhana, and then from fourth jhana back to first jhana before getting enlightened?
I don't understand your question.
และถามว่าถ้าฌานไม่สำคัญแล้วเนี่ยทำไมพระพุทธเจ้าก่อนตรัสรู้ถึงเข้าฌาน
พระพุทธเจ้าก่อนจะรู้ข้อฌานด้วย
ไม่ก็ตอบไปสิว่าไม่มี
No, there is no. The Buddha did not go in one before and go to one before enlightenment.
That is it ไอ้นั่นเลย
That's it.
ปรินิพพานนะก่อนปรินิพพานเนี่ยเข้าฌาน1 2 3 4
But before he Parinirvana is before he died, he go into Chan until 1, until the 8, until the 9, until the 10, and he comes out and he comes to 1 and then he go back again and then he Parinirvana. Yes. But then before the enlightenment, he don't go in that time. Yes.
後咪同修話如果師傅提到你個禪能對於開悟嚟講並不是必要，或者甚至乎並不重要的話，點解佛陀就會喺開悟之前就進入初禪到四禪，有四禪又變開一禪咁樣咧？咁師傅就糾正咗一下，就其實唔係開悟之前，係般涅槃之前，即係佛陀就咁樣1至4、4至1咁，其實應該係1至8咁樣，總之就落嚟會啦。咁小三微就係係咯冇咁樣嘅事，而開悟之前係個師傅就話係般涅槃之前。So Ajahn, is it like I think that's still the part of the question why did Buddha did that at all before Parinirvana then?
แล้วทำไมพระพุทธเจ้าถึงเข้าฌานตอนเข้าฌานเข้าออกตอนปรินิพพานตอบได้ไหมได้ตอบ
So that his body will be washed with the chana. So the chana has a power to like wash your body, to to make your body become a thought,
Lyrics.
to become a lilies. So the Buddha needs to do like that. So to make sure that when he was burned, when you
Cremate.
cremate him, his body will become like
Relics.
lilies, will become a lily for sure. And will, so that the people that is a Buddhism but does not enlightenment, for the first or the second enlightenment, will not curious that my Buddha is not Arahant. Because they think that Arahant means when God when
Lyrics.
burn will become a lily. So that Buddha's body, all of them will become the lilies. And God washed by the Chana.
咁小三明對於呢一個玻璃盤之前嘅佛陀要咁樣由初禪到四禪，去到八禪，又翻返一禪，又初禪，又翻四禪，呢一個一連串嘅禪法咧，係因為要洗淨佢嘅身體，因為咁樣洗淨咗佢嘅身體，即係用禪去洗淨佢嘅身體嘅話咧，就可以確保佢嘅身體係當被火化嘅時候咧，就會有舍利留低。呢個咧對於好多人嚟講係會令佢哋生起信心，而亦都有啲人會覺得，如果佛陀係死後冇舍利嘅話，咁佢哋就唔相信佛陀係一個阿羅漢，即係佛陀佢本人都係阿羅漢啦，佢係第一位阿羅漢。咁有啲人就會唔相信佢係阿羅漢啦。咁但係如果佢咁樣做嘅話，就會俾到人信心。
Okay, the second thing is to make the place over there in calmness, because Chana has the power to make everything calm. So the people that comes to like pray or do respect, make respect to and forgiveness to the Triple Gem, so that they will be calm with the power of Chana. Or else, if it's not the Buddha not going to the Chana, the people will like. Actually, there is that's one of the music.
第二個原因就係要令到嗰個開盤地方，即係成為即係而家嘅其中一個聖地之一啦，即係四大聖地之一開盤嘅地方。佛陀咁樣去做嘅時候咧，佢會令到嗰個地方就會平靜落嚟，或者用另一個講法就係個氣場會平靜落嚟啦。咁然後當啲人未來嘅人，即係我哋而家呢啲人啦，去嗰度去朝聖佢哋嘅時候咧，或者係去嗰度即係做一啲後懺悔嘅動作嘅時候咧，咁咧佢哋就會被佛陀嘅呢個力量所平靜落嚟。如果唔係咧，佢哋就會即係可能有會喊又會鬧咁樣樣。咁透過善良嘅力量係可以令到一個地方咁樣你當係有個氣場咁樣啦，佢可以平靜到落嚟。
The second reason is that the Sotapanna, the first level, the three emperor, and the second level, they still have deep attachment to this body of the Buddha. So if the atmosphere is not calm enough without our chana, they will cry, a lot of crying, eating like an ordinary person.
咁師傅再澄清一次咧，就係、譬如一啲初果，就算係凡夫唔計啦，就算係初果聖者、二果聖者都好啦，佢哋仍然對於身體或者係佛陀身體啦，有一個咁樣嘅執着喺度。如果嗰度嘅氣場係唔夠平靜，即係玻璃盤嗰個地方啦，咁佢哋係會流眼淚咧，佢哋會喊，咁即係咁樣佛陀咁樣做就可以少 使到佢哋平靜落嚟。
And the last reason is the nature of all Buddhas, not only this Buddha. All Buddhas, when they take birth, enlightened, they have their own beauty. And this is the beauty of Nibbana, Parinibbana, pass away. Before, all celestial beings, all human beings could not see him again in this samsara, in the cycle of birth and death. Then he showed the beauty of dying, but not dying, is Parinibbana. The beauty that the Deva can see is his mind enter the first level of jhana, second, fourth, something like this go up and down. Human being cannot see, but the celestial being can see. So they see the beauty. And then after showing the beauty, even about to die, his mind is still very stable and enter jhana. This is the beauty. This is the grace. This is the, how can I say, only the Buddha can do something like this. So those celestial beings watch, they see this beauty. And then after exit from jhana, with natural mind, ordinary mind, not in jhana, then parinibbana, no more birth in this cycle of birth and death anymore. His wish, his search, his quest, why he was Bodhisattva for countless life, has been fulfilled.
仲有最後一個原因啦，師父解釋過就係呢一個係佛陀或者係諸佛嘅過去、現在、未來嘅佛，佢哋嘅可以話係一個力量，或者係佢哋嘅個人優美之處，就係佢哋要為眾生，唔單止係地上眾生，甚至係天人嘅眾生展示佢哋嘅力量，佢哋嘅優美之處就係佢哋係唔會懼怕死亡，佢哋都心係非常之平靜，就算係死亡，即係一般人所講嘅死亡，佛陀嘅人亦都好，佢哋嘅心亦都係非常之穩定，佢哋甚至能夠係進入到禪那。咁禪那境界就普通人係接觸唔到啦，但係好多天人佢哋會知道佛陀係入咗邊一個禪那咁樣啦。咁佛陀咁樣做就係其實對好多天人去展示呢一個佢嘅開悟嘅呢個力量，去為佢帶嚟有呢一種咁樣嘅心嘅穩定性。佢係展示咗原來即係呢一個出離咗輪迴嘅呢一個聖者，亦都係佢以前作為修行人佢所發嘅願，佢要出嚟輪迴嘅呢一個目標達到咗，其實就好似即係要宣告或者係展示俾所有天人睇功德圓滿，我即係可以離開啦。係原來係要係咁漂亮咁樣離開嘅。
Our Buddha, when he was Bodhisattva, he died the last moment in jhana, and then born again in samsara, countless life already. When he took birth again in the realm of Brahman, countless life. But as a Buddha, he not dying in jhana, in an ordinary mind, empty mind, so no more birth, not in jhana anymore.
我哋嘅佛陀，當佢仍然係菩薩，即係講緊佢前世作為菩薩嘅時候，其實佢有好多世都曾經係以禪那嘅境界咁樣死去，但係之後又再重生，又成為天神咁樣啦。咁但係佛陀嘅最後呢一世，佢嘅特別之處就係佢唔係死喺即係一個或者係喺呢個禪那境界，然後又要再投胎，佢係以一個普通或者係一個平常嘅心，佢係一 嘅心係清淨係空嘅，佢即係唔會再喺就算係善惡都好啦，天界都好啦，佢唔會再咁樣投胎佛。呢一世係有佢嘅特別之處，所以佢唔係喺善惡裏邊即係入邊，佢係以一個空嘅一個境界，一個平常嘅一個心入邊。
Those enlightenment who practice jhana after cremation, like Athanan, part of his body become relics. But for the Buddha, most of his body become relics.
咁就算唔係佛陀啦，好多嘅聖者譬如近代著名嘅阿底峽尊者啦，佢都係有禪定。佢火化之後，身體有部分嘅地方成為咗舍利啦。咁但係佛陀咧，佢嘅過人之處就係佢火化之後，成個身體都係舍利。
This is the part of the liquid in his body also become relics.
而家熒幕展示就係阿底峽尊者嘅舍利啦，係某部分身體成為咗舍利。
หลวงตามหาบัว
馬克布亞尊者啦，佢舍利啦。
also turn into relics.
啲身體部分轉化咗成為舍利。
And the dust that was there on this cremation day, the dust that coming up and fall into our robe is not dark color, it's a pink color, like this, it's pink, pinkish color, very strange phenomena. We try to collect the dust. It disappears, it disappears. 馬克布亞尊者佢嘅火化儀式上面啦，師傅佢都在場啦。當時飄出嚟嗰啲煙味嘅塵咧，佢唔係黑色嘅，係粉紅色嘅，咁就跌咗落去好多包括師傅佢比丘嘅袍上面啦。咁佢哋想即係收集呢啲粉紅色嘅塵，但係收集唔到之後就燒咗。 Yeah, dust like this. A lot is flowing in the air and fall down. Normally we see the gray and the black color, but a lot of pinkish color the dust during this cremation.
呢個放大咗見到一啲塵啦。咁我當時師傅就係空氣裏面見到好多啲咁嘅粉紅色嘅塵。正常嚟講應該灰黑色嘅塵，但係呢啲係粉紅色。
So those who attend jhana normally the body after cremation turn into the relics. But that is not the important part, the relics things. Nowadays a lot of relics, we don't know what is real. Everybody got relics at home nowadays.
一啲有禪埋嘅聖者啦，即係證到禪行嘅聖者啦，佢哋嘅身體死後火化嘅時候咧，就會有部分就成為咗舍利啦。咁而家我哋呢個年代實在係可能就係好多聖者好多成為舍利啦。每個人屋企都有啲舍利，都唔知道究竟即係邊個打邊個，或者嗰啲係舍利係咪真嘅。
So after the great Bodhisattva realized that the path of austerity, tortured himself for 6 years, gained nothing, he returned to normal practice, eating like ordinary person, start to eat.
當我哋嘅菩薩就係原來個佛陀，佢發現呢一個苦行嘅途徑並唔能夠為佢帶嚟解決開悟嘅話，咁佢就又翻去普通正常嘅修習，咁佢又開始食翻嘢。
When he started to eat the 5 people that waiting for him for more than 20 years in the forest, practiced themselves, and serving him for for another 6 years. They thought that, oh, our hope that our prince will enlighten is already bankrupt, totally lost the path, come back again. Because of that, deep inside their mind, they have a view that only this path, the path, austerity path, will bring enlightenment. They fully believe in their heart. Then they just let go, they don't care anymore. They run away.
咁當呢個陪伴咗佛陀6年喺森林裏面苦行嘅五比丘，佢哋見到佛陀又開始食翻嘢嘅時候，佢哋就認為呢一個有機會為佢哋帶來開悟解脫嘅一個菩薩啦。咁佢就已經係放棄咗修行，因為佢哋心裏面覺得只有咁樣嘅身體折磨苦行先至可以帶來解脫。咁佢哋認為佢哋希望已經係熄滅咗啦。咁所以咧，佢哋就唔再理呢一個菩薩，然後就放棄咗呢個人，就離開咗佢。
They ran away from one city to another city, which about almost 240 kilometers away from the Buddha. This means they didn't care anymore. From the place of enlightenment, they ran here. So about 240 kilometers nowadays by road. In the old days, forest and river, no road. So it must be harder. It means they didn't care anymore. If you die, I don't care you anymore. See how much wrong view did they hold in their mind that only austerity path is the path toward enlightenment. They dare to throw away the belief for the prince, the beloved Bodhisattva that will be the Buddha. They threw away, ran away far.
咁呢個唔比丘啦，就遺棄咗呢一個佛陀啦，就跑得遠遠的。咁就呢個地圖咧就係顯示佢哋嗰度有幾遠。總之佢哋同佛陀之間嘅距離其實當時240 km 咁遠啦，係仲要當時冇車嘅，只有用路行，然後嗰啲又係森林咁樣嘅地方。咁呢個就係俾大家見到邪見嘅或者係冇正見嘅狀態之下，即係人哋咁都唔會介意，即係你係朋友都好，我哋唔會理你嘅，即係佢哋。因為奉行嘅一個折磨身體嘅苦行嘅信念啦，所以佢哋係即係唔會再關懷呢個比丘人頭。
I would be able to run the Google map because of King Asoka built this stupa. This is the place where this stupa represents the place where the Buddha take 11-day walk from Gaya, the face of his enlightenment, to see these 5 beautiful kings here at this stupa, at this location.
佛陀開悟咗之後，就去揾翻呢個五比丘啦。咁而熒幕上面呢個相裏面嘅呢一個佛塔啦，其實就係後人建造去紀念佛陀，就係又係行翻咁遠嘅地方啦，就去揾翻呢個五比丘，同佢哋講呢個所得到嘅呢個法。
In 2012, I led a group to India So he was thinking, then he said, okay, this is the place where the Buddha met the 5 bhikkhu. So you come and make an aspiration here.
咁啊，2012年嘅時候啦，師傅就帶咗一條人就去印度朝聖啦。咁當中有一位年輕女士，佢就問師傅話：佢好想要一個男朋友喎。佢問師傅幫唔幫到佢咧？咁然後師傅就即係諗起，呢個地方就係佛陀遇見唔比丘嘅地方喎。咁你喺呢度發願啦，你喺呢度即係心裏面發出個願望，我遇到男朋友咯。
And it was successful. Now she had 2 children.
結果非常之成功嘅呢個女士之後同呢個男朋友應該結埋婚嘅話，有2個小朋友添啊。
I don't think it's related to the aspiration here. It's just their own business.
師傅認為其實唔係要關呢個即係喺呢個地點發現嘅事嘅，應該係只不過佢自己嘅福氣啫。
Before we finish showing you this is the ancient, also ancient sculpture by the Greeks. The 5 bhikkhu, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They make agreement that if the Buddha come here, we won't welcome him. We will not welcome him. But since as the Buddha approached them, the light, the radiance from the Buddha, the virtue of the Buddha spreads, so that they could not resist. 5 of them, each of them one of them carried a stool, another one carried something to dusting the place for the Buddha to sit, water, and other things, fan, to comfort the arrival of the Buddha.
呢張相上面係一個雕塑啦，都係希臘式嘅雕塑啦。就係描述緊呢個五比丘遇到佛陀，再次同佛陀相遇嘅呢個場面啦。因為五比丘咧，佢哋喺離棄呢個佛陀之後咧，其實係有佢哋之間有傾過，就係如果佛陀當時嘅菩薩翻嚟揾佢哋嘅話咧，佢哋係唔會歡迎呢一個人，因為佢哋認為呢個人已經唔係再係行喺個嘅路上面。咁結果佛陀翻去揾佢哋嘅時候咧，因為佛陀身上散發出嚟嘅光芒啦，佢嘅氣息，佢嘅呢個善法或者佢德行嘅力量咧，係令到佢哋五比丘係不能夠抗拒或者係感動咗五比丘佢哋咧，佢哋每個人都好似不由自主地就為佛陀擔凳啊、擔水啊，幫佢掃乾淨啲凳啊，同埋會撥線啊，咁樣去服侍佢。
This is the Deva also coming to welcome. This is the Buddha protector during that period. This was Hercules. Yes, this is Hercules. Their research you can find in the internet. Google it. Greco-Buddhism. They identify this one as Hercules, the first protector of the Buddha. Because the Greeks was the one who, yes, Hercules. When they are in Greece, they are the protector of the king. But when they come to India, Hercules has to be smaller than the Buddha, you see. And a lot, not only this picture, a lot of Greco-Buddhism is mean. The Buddhism is mean as rock carving by the Greeks in the old day. Hercules is the only protector of the Buddha. And later on, the protector when coming to China, into Japan, changed the form to someone else. It has a history. Everything has a history.
大家見到呢幅畫上面，除咗下面三位啦，呢個比較普通三位啦，上面仲有啲天神喺度。然後右邊佛陀右邊有一個護法天神咧，呢、個咧其實係Hercules， 即係大力士，佢個中文譯名我都唔記得咗，係希臘嗰個大力神啦。咁點解會係大力神咧？因為其實係喺希臘文化裏面，佢係呢一個皇帝嘅，你可以話係護法神咁樣啦。所以當佢哋去印度嘅時候咧，佢哋咧亦都將呢一個咁樣嘅形象就畫做呢個佛陀嘅護法神嘅樣，就係、呢個 Hercules 嘅樣啦。隨住文化嘅即係隨住佛教去到唔同文化啦，譬如去到中國日本咁樣咧，佛陀嘅護法咧又變咗其他嘅神、其他嘅樣式出現，即係同當地嘅文化就好有關係。
We won't talk about it. I have all the evidence here, but no time.
師傅有大量關於呢啲咁樣嘅神靈變遷嘅證據，但係冇時間去講呢啲。
This is how Buddhism evolved during 2,000 years. A lot of things that is not related to the original teaching. Then we go to that God, this God, that deity, this deity, that Bodhisattva, this Bodhisattva. We buy a lot. But where is the core teaching of the Buddha?
呢個就係佛教2000幾年嚟嘅演變史，就係有咁樣嘅現象發生。呢啲同嗰個原本嘅教導其實唔係咁大嘅關係。當佛教去到唔同嘅文化嘅時候咧，佢又會加入咗或者滲入咗好多唔同嘅神明啦，即係同嗰個文化有關嘅神明啦，即係唔同嘅菩薩咁樣啦。咁但係大家應該要去問下，就係究竟佛陀嘅核心教導係啲乜嘢咧？
Yeah, the same things. The five people. This is the chair of the Buddha, and up here we don't have. This is also Mr. Hercules, and this is his weapon, which is the lightning.
咁呢度又係類似咁樣同一樣故事嘅雕塑啦。咁左邊嗰個係比丘其中一位，就攞住張凳，應該係俾佛陀啦。咁然後右邊嗰位都係Hercules大神啦，佢攞住佢嘅武器，嗰個武器就係一支閃電或者係印度所講嘅金剛。
If the Buddha enlightened nowadays, this guy would be Paul, the one in the movie of the children who have the lightning.
如果呢一個係現代嘅即係佛教壁畫嘅話咧，咁佢肯定有啲演變啊，譬如可能係雷神，即係 Marvel 電影個雷神咁樣攞住個錘仔咁樣，即係嗰個形象係會隨時間演變。
The Park Thamavyu Sutra, upholding triple gems by the Buddha Hercules.
又係類似嘅場景啦，喺呢個鹿嘅園度啦，有比丘啦，有佛陀説呢一個《法華經》啦，咁都係法真嘅形象啦，法就係法輪啦，佛陀啦，然後真係比丘啦。
Okay, we break from now, and then we meet again about 6 o'clock. Is that okay? According to the schedule, enough time? Enough time. Let us pay homage to the Buddha Dhamma Sangha again.
咁呢一節就到此為止啦，咁下一節就6點鐘就再翻嚟進修。咁我哋而家就一齊。